If something illegal in Korea, but outside Korea, foreign countries, your friend or relative or whoever sends the substance or drug to you by shipping.
Yes, right.
Then
Many
what
cases.
happens? In many cases?
Many cases in Korea.
I have this question that the legality or illegality of the drug or substance, it varies according to each country.
Yes, right.
So simply that one country, this substance is legal, but the other country is illegal.
Yes, right.
So coming back to Korea, if something illegal in Korea, but outside Korea, foreign countries, your friend or relative or whoever sends the substance or drug to you by shipping.
Yes, right.
Then what
Many
happens?
cases.
In many cases?
Many cases in Korea. It is usually happened in cannabis substances in marijuana. Marijuana is very it's not a very dangerous substances in addiction committee in United Nations. So but we are Korean. We strictly banned the marijuana in our country. So if you bought some medication in some countries, but these items cross the border of the Korean customs. In that case, the
receiver?
Receiver, that's right. The receiver will be punished by narcotics act in Korea. So you need to be careful. You might be come in Korea with your medication drug.
Prescription drug.
Yes, right. But you don't have any prescription
with you.
Yes, and in the case you need to very careful. If you were caught in customs, it will be fine. I think you can just seizure from that. But you come in, you used to the drugs in Korea, and after that, you caught by policemen. You are a criminal who is imported from another country. Just you use your medication, but it's imported drugs of you. So you need to careful your medication in some drugs substances. You need to keep your prescriptions from your doctor.
So what Jacob is saying is that cannabis related or cannabis family medication, some country it is legalized, but in Korea it is more stricter. It is strictly controlled, any cannabis related substances in Korea. So if you cross the border from other country to Korea, if you have a prescription medication, but that contains cannabis related, you need to keep your prescription with you, otherwise you could be in trouble.
But these days there are so many commercial cannabis items in other countries. So you cannot have any prescriptions for that.
It's over the counter.
Yes, in that case, it's very usually dangerous. You need not to have.
You better not have.
Yeah, cannabis. But if you have, and you took a case about your drug, your medication, you need to discuss about the situation with your lawyer.
So today's session we talked about narcotics in general, but what you need to remember is that if someone outside Korea sends you cannabis-related medicine, and then you are the receiver, you could be in trouble too. So, and then the court in Korea relies on statement evidence, and also the test result of National Forensic Service, 100%, almost 100%. So it is very critical how you structure your statement, and then it is also important you do it from the very beginning with a lawyer.
Yes, correct.
So I hope and think that this was very informative, and then I hope that it is beneficial to you, and then we will come back to you next time with other information.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
See you again.